Hi. I'm about to do Scar. That was like one of my first transition videos ever. I did the reveal and I had like the wig and I think that was like a cute little haha moment. But I kind of want to actually create a lion's mane. So I got this faux fur. How am I going to make it? I don't know. So what's our motto here? If I can think it, I can do it. Like use a headband, glue an elastic band around and glue the fur pieces to the elastic. And any extra pieces I need, I can individually like just stick on with lash glue. I am stressed. So that's step one. And then I'm going to do the makeup transition. And then the results will be at the end of this video.
No, because why was this man molly-whopping me, y'all? Like, it was literally dragging me by my ponytail and calling me out my name. Like, look at this.
First of all, I need to take a shower because there's hair everywhere. I'm not finished yet. Gotta put on some glasses to protect my eyes. So I put the pipe cleaners on the back of it that I use for easement to give it some like bend. In the parts that need to stay sticking out, I think I'm gonna use these barbecue sticks.
And what's funny is I had this whole Lion King series planned out, but I had to take a break, y'all. I thought it was gonna be easy.
I think we've got it. On camera, it stops literally right here and it looks so good. Now I need to shower, sweep up all this hair, and then get started on the makeup. Just get my life and go, ugh. I'm using my planner sheets, which you can find on my website. Also, have my notes for each individual transition. So whenever I do these like glow up series videos, I get nervous that the old version is gonna look better than the new version. I'm adding like 6 to 10 new transitions to this video, so this one will absolutely look better. Loved my performance, so I just hope that I can deliver that same kind of theatrics and same kind of energy. So stay tuned. We got a shining new era. Okay, perfect. Okay, you guys, we got the shot. Here are the results.
But thick as you are, pay attention.